Hello Amish sir, how are you?
Welcome.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Can you tell me how you started this firm off?
Today, around 60 chartered accountants, 5 partners, chartered accountant partners.
We take the ownership of our accounting department of our client.
My fourth partner, Lakshmi Vaja Steady.
Sir, you are also going paperless, right?
Yeah, we have tried to remain ageless. This is the National Defence Academy.
Okay.
Yeah. So I think India is going to be, next 20 years is going to be very interesting.
Hello everyone and welcome to Inside a CA Firm with me, your host Geena Bharwani. Today on this episode, we are in the city of Ahmedabad to dive deep into the journey of Khandhar Mehta and Shah chartered accountants. So they're 3 friends that started this firm back in 2004 and have grown it ever since then. So let's understand what got them and how they started and understand where the firm is at today. Let's dive deep. Hi, can I meet Mr. Amish, sir? Hello Amish sir, how are you?
I'm fine. Welcome.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Welcome to KMS office. Please be seated.
I like the way how you built the office, especially your cabin. Tell me what is different in this?
This is a very traditional kind of sitting arrangement. However, it is very scientific also.
Okay.
And I have heard that in Japan also there are various people who are sitting like this, which our forefathers used to sit. Because in table and chairs, there is the flow of blood goes down by way of gravitational force.
Oh, okay.
And if you sit with these folded legs and all that, then it is a circular reference of your blood, circular flow of your blood. So that is that way good. And I also like this kind of sitting. So I have kept my at least cabin like this. I have not told anyone else to sit like this because people are used to with table and chairs.
Yeah.
So
it is lovely meeting you, and especially after all the interactions that we have had. Can you tell me how you started this firm off? Because I understand you're the first generation of chartered accountant from your family.
Yeah. So just to give you background, I come from a Surendranagar district, around 120 kilometers from here, and I did my graduation from Ahmedabad, then went to Mumbai in Jain hostel, where I met my other 2 partners, to be partners rather at that point of time in 95-96, and then we completed CA over a period of, they both are junior in age to me. And then we all departed, like we all depart. We used to study together in hostels or college, and then we go on our own ways. But destiny might have decided that, okay, no, we will get you together some point of time. So we met in 2003 at some crossroads of Ahmedabad. Then we just have you become CEO? It just became, what are you doing? I am doing some job or some retainership and all that. So I invited them, both of you, that I am also planning to start our practice. So maybe if you will join, then we will make our hostel reunion together. And Mr. Gautam Mehta and Mr. Tushar Shah, myself Amish Khandhar. So we Khandhar Mehta and Shah, we have started this firm on 15th June 2004. That is a first generation and partnership firm that we established that way.
That's nice. And when did you all move into this office of yours?
Yeah, so initially we had a rented office of 200 square feet in this building only. And then over a period of time we acquired or we purchased the offices whenever it was available, and we had the liberty of funds. And this office we have in October 2021 we have shifted over here. So it is post-COVID. During the COVID, only some work was going on. And we have been today around 60 chartered accountants, 5 partners, chartered accountant partners, 80 article students, and another 100 semi-qualified and support staff. Put together around 240, 250 people we are there. And out of 15,000 chartered accountants in the Ahmedabad and 30,000 in Gujarat, we are maybe amongst top 5 or top 10, not in number game, but by size, by specialty, with course grace. Being a first generation firm in 20 years, we could reach to this milestone with all your wishes, best wishes and blessings of the elders.
That's nice. So I like how you've decorated your office, and while entering also I did see that. Can you please show on your phone?
Yeah, sure. We'll take a tour of our office. And I like the artifacts or the different kind of idols or the good quotes, like behind you there is a quote. Try to give message and also to learn also by way of this kind of arrangement. Let me take you to the tour of our office.
Definitely.
And that way you will be more acquainted. Yes. So this is my office. You have already my cabin.
Yeah.
You have already seen it. The cabin of my another partner, Mr. Gautam Mehta.
Nice.
This is my third partner, Mr.
Hello, nice to meet you.
Mr. Shah, out of Khandhar Mehta and Shah. He is our third partner, Mr. Tushar Shah. So, and he looks after the virtual CFO practice of our firm KMS.
Oh, okay.
And we used to be together in 97 around. We have relationship of more than 25 years, and this year we will complete 20 years of our, as mentioned earlier, on 15th June 2004 is our partnership deed, and this year on 15th June we will complete another
20 years.
Yeah.
That's nice. So I'm going to come back and have a nice conversation with you and understand how virtual CFO also works.
Yeah.
And understand how you also met Sir and what drove you all to become partners eventually.
Yeah.
Sure.
Thank you.
This is our main conference hall.
Oh, okay.
And it is given by Dr. Abdul Kalam sir.
Name.
So, name is given based on the scientists like Dr. C.V. Raman and Abdul Kalam sir. So this is our main conference hall wherein we used to do our meetings, and at times our article students and chartered accountants give and take trainings also.
Oh, okay.
So maybe around 25 people can sit with some extended sitting arrangement.
Nice.
So that is how it is.
There's a nice library and also सारे किताब वहाँ पे.
Yeah. So those are the books which have been written by mainly me in GST, me and my partner Rasmin Vaja.
Okay.
And 21 useful charts and others. So we are fond of writing books in a tabular way, which is very useful to the people. Right. So
time कैसे मिलता है sir?
No, we used to write a lot when we were alone. We didn't have much staff. तो तब तो हम पूरी रात भर maybe up to 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock we used to write, and we just sleep on the floor and all that. But now last 10, 12 years we have got good resources, good chartered accountants in our team. So they prepare that and then we give it a final touch or the kind of review it and go for that. But still, it is always a challenge to write something, to validate and get it printed.
Correct.
But that's how, there has to be some passion also in everyone. So that's how it works out. Well,
nice.
This Chandrayaan, we just landed, no?
Yes.
Before 6 months or 12 months. So this is Vikram lander, and this is the Pragyan rover, which is in sleeping mood now.
Correct.
But this is there. So I had visited Defense Expo in Gandhinagar.
Oh, okay.
And wherein so many people from USA, Israel and all had visited. Then I thought that I also must go. If it is so near and if I don't go, not good for me. And anyway, I like science a lot, so I had gone there.
Nice.
Yeah. So this is what our conference was, and we can move forward. This is Lord Krishna's very beautiful idol. Yeah. Any good work that we start, so we pray. We do prayer in the morning, 10:30 every day, in front of Ganesh ji. And these all offices are our associate partners. We have some more offices also. After this office, we have our new partners also, associate partners.
Okay.
So it is a network of
Offices.
approved by CA Institute, and this is a time of collaboration. So it is very good. Mazars is an international network for which we are affiliated from Gujarat state. That's how it is.
I like how you all have also mentioned whatever your services you provide or right on the
symbolically
mentioned.
It has come out well. Rather, the interior we had not expected of this level, but it has come out well, and various artifacts giving the message. That is, the red top is the National Defence Academy. If you can see, this is the National Defence Academy. It is there. Yeah,
nice.
So it is there. Okay, so let us move around our. This is the mini conference hall wherein 4 or 5 people can work.
This is also mentioned after.
C.V. Raman was a great scientist of India.
Correct.
So this is HR department. Then the accounts comes the system admin, our computer expert for the support all the time.
Sir, you all are also going paperless, right?
Yeah.
So I've noticed that around your office also very little papers are being used.
Yeah.
Since when was that implemented?
Around 4 or 5 years back, before COVID in 17-18, we had tried to start there, and based on that we had implemented different servers, the tax automation softwares, and kind of CCH iFirm for task management software, or the Tally, or different kind of Excel tools. And we have tried to remain ageless. And I think now government is also having a lot of digitization. So it was required, and rather it is helping us a lot that how it can work out. Right?
Nice.
So please come.
So you'll have a sports room as well?
Yeah, we have a sports room also.
Oh,
Please continue.
Nice.
So
it's nice that you'll having this.
So so that is a push table. Behind that is a massage chair. This is PS4 that people can play around.
Oh, okay.
I love table tennis a lot.
Oh, okay.
So I sometimes play it. This is our work area.
Oh, okay.
So that's how all managers sit here, and then chartered accountants and article students all are scattered over here.
Nice.
So this is my fourth partner, Rasmin Vaja's cabin.
Nice to meet you, sir.
So he is looking after GST completely. Earlier I used to look a lot. Now I mostly do planning, strategy, business development, networking, and some kind of service, social service also.
Okay.
And execution part is completely managed by Rasmin. So he helps a lot in writing books also and execution part. So you can also ask some questions if you have.
Yeah. So how did you all started off as 3 partners and then you joined him eventually?
Not eventually, rather you can say just in 2004 we formed this firm, and within 2 years he joined us.
Oh, okay.
So he is as good as founder partner only, but since name was approved in CA Institute, we have this Khandhar Mehta and Shah.
Nice.
And it was again a different story, like I told you earlier about our 3 partners.
Correct.
It is through common friend, So
merely an accident sort of thing. We had some, they had some, job out there in Dubai, and they were looking out for some guy. And I was like recently qualified. So I just connected with him. It triggered, but eventually I could not get the visa. So eventually, we got into touch with each other, and the same way, we
started. Nice. That's nice.
Yeah.
So you're fond of bikes?
Yeah, I'm very much fond of bikes. He's not allowing me to go out.
He is one of the wish list item is Spiti Valley, Leh Ladakh.
Ah, okay.
Sikkim, where he recently visited.
Nice.
So, no, that is everything is allowed, but not on bike because I'm fit. So you can see the various kind of
Trophies also.
accolades.
Yes.
There is not enough space because he used to deliver a lot of lectures.
Okay.
Even today also he has a lecture, so he will be just
lecture on
tax tech.
okay.
And incidentally there is one slide on Zoho also, that how tax technology, softwares and technology is going to impact a chartered accountant and the way they practice, not only today but even tomorrow, next 5 years and 10 years, the complete practice spectrum will be changed in my opinion, from an just tick auditor to it will be where to where, because of the digitization, the computerization, the tax technology that people are investing time, money and energy.
Correct. Nice.
Yeah, thank you. So let's go another side. So these all are the list of holidays
Okay.
for 2024. So all the holidays are fixed on 1st January.
Yeah.
2nd and 4th Saturday is off in our office, and these are the long holidays, so people can plan out
accordingly.
their vacations and all. This is the newspaper story on Friendship Day about our friendship.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Nice.
and yeah. So this is the photo with our honorable Prime Minister now, but at that time he was a Honorable Chief Minister of Gujarat. And from Gujarat Chamber we had a felicitation of, because of successful, vibrant Gujarat, we had a felicitation of Honorable CM there.
Nice. I like how you all play
Yeah.
videos over here. On
Yeah,
this
videos.
TV also.
We normally play this Charlie Chaplin
all.
and maybe Tom and Jerry and all that, which, because life should be fun should be a kind of fun also, and should be humorous also.
Correct.
We read a lot about tax and all that every day. That is also good, but this is equally good, which we normally professionals miss sometime in life. So this is another conference room named by Dr. Vikram Sarabhai and Homi J. Papa.
This is also nice, the way you all have mentioned that, you know what, how important it is to be fit. It's important for the heart.
Yeah. So that's really meaningful rather. So that side there was a specific washroom for ladies. This is for gents, and you will happy to note that we had discussion during this office for 2 hours whether we should have a separate washroom for partners or not, and then we decided to go away with, because in our belief, we believe that there should not be any difference. Rather, we all are equal. Why should be director's washroom different? Then why should be general company?
Correct.
So we decided, it was a bit difficult because we were used to it in our earlier office.
But then you all stepped away from it.
Then we have stepped away from it, and I think it was a good decision rather.
That's
now.
nice. So you'll have like a canteen also over here.
Yeah, so this is an entire
Cafeteria.
Cafeteria type. 24 people can sit together and then they can have their lunch easily between 12:30 to 2:30. Every half an hour slot is there, 4 slots. So it is there, and so this is another part. This entire staff belongs to GST only. We have another office, 3rd floor also, wherein audit and tax people sit. So again, this is all staff members and managers, they sit over here. Yeah, he's with Mr. Parag Rawal. He was Vice Chairman of WIRC, Western India Regional Council. you can see so many
Accolades.
trophies.
I think it's across all your
Everywhere. So it will happen that he will be outside and all accolades will be inside, not having place to sit. So meet our first employee of KMS. Out of 245 people, he was the first person to be employed in 2004.
Oh.
Now it is all team efforts, and this is one of the
Another cabin
for the director. He is on leave.
Oh, okay.
And he practices on Gift City.
Gift City.
So one day he sits here, another 5 days, Monday to Friday, he sits in Gift City, which is a unique place. There were so many SEZ on pharma, engineering, multi-product, but there was not a single place unified way for the financial industry. So Gift City is a very good vision of Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
That's nice.
And we have very big office there, and he sits there. He looks after.
We should do another episode on the Gift City office.
You must do it rather, not on us, but just on Gift City. You should do that episode. That is very much, I think, eye-opening for everyone. And the way Modi Sahib's vision is there, it will flourish like anything.
Nice. I like how everywhere you'll have seating arrangements so that you can sit down and talk and discuss.
Yeah, at any place you can sit together.
So, hello Tushar sir.
Hi.
And it is lovely meeting you. Tell me all about the inception of the firm and how you met Amish sir.
So, we studied together in a hostel in Mumbai. It's called Science Jain Hostel. And in year 1999, I was there in hostel. But I need to come back to Ahmedabad. I am from Bhuj basically. So, I need to settle down here. So I came here, and then we met Amish and Gautam and all my partners on a road. It's like a film story.
Correct.
Yeah.
So when I got introduced earlier, you said that you take care of Virtual CFO.
That's true.
Can you give us an understanding of what exactly it is?
So in case of Virtual CFO services, what we do is like we take care of, or we take the ownership of our accounting department of our client.
Okay.
Or most of the clients are multinational companies. So they're Indian subsidiaries. We take care of whole accounting department, and right from accounting, bookkeeping, accounts payable, accounts receivable, TDS, GST, everything we do on for our clients. So we termed as a virtual CFO services, and we provide them MIS, and client like this service because we provide all such kind of services under one roof.
Oh, okay, that's nice. So every partner has their own different service that they provide. Oh, that's nice. So what does each partner take care of?
So Mr. Amish Khandhar and Mr. Rashmi Baja, they are taking care of indirect tax, that is GST. Okay. Mr. Gautam Mehta is taking care of audit, income tax and international taxation, and myself is taking care of this virtual CFO services, consulting services.
Oh, okay. That's nice. So do you use any particular software for it, or?
We do. We have Zoho, we have Tele, we use NetSuite. Okay. So all different kind of software, accounting software we use for that.
That's nice.
Yeah.
And I like how everything is framed up so nicely at the back. You'll have like a nice touch of greenery also.
Yeah. So I like this. So
yeah, every cabin is very unique over here.
That's true. So it's a thematic. My partner has chosen this frame based on our ability or our mindset. So that has depicted our mind frame.
Mm-hmm. That's nice.
Yeah.
So, it was lovely meeting you, and thank you so much for this conversation, sir.
Same here, ma'am. Same here.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you. How happy are you with the firm right now?
Yeah, absolutely. It was actually entrepreneurship was in when I did my articleship in Mumbai. I had dreamed of being an entrepreneur. I had not thought of that we will have a reasonably such a mid-sized firm of India, but I thought that at least 15-20 people in an office, then also I'll be more than happy. So anyway, I'm we are blessed because of friends, VCs, like all yours VCs, elders' blessings and grace of God. But it's a time of tax technology, this company or that company. But what is more important is so much digitization is happening in today's time, and so many new concepts are coming. People are investing time, money and energy behind them. As a startup, they are giving time, money, everything. So I think India is going to be, next 20 years is going to be very interesting, very challenging also, but very much opportunities are going to be created based on those technology platforms.
That's nice. So I also see that you'll have your Gujarati essence over here in the firm, given that you're in Ahmedabad.
Yeah.
Like the fact that of Gandhi's wordings and sayings and all of it. So that's very nice also, sir.
Yeah.
All right. It was lovely talking to you and lovely interacting with you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for this tour, and thank you so much once again, sir.
Thank you. Most welcome anytime. Gujarat mein to people used to come because of their hospitality. So we would be happy to host you again. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.